Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your Subway surf app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, so you just go down here. So then you click here on apps. Then come to apps here until you're looking for Subway surf app, or just click on search or add here Subway surfs. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on first stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.